Do you know why most of the people still struggle to speak in English after years of learning grammar and vocabulary? It because they are still translate their native language and then translate into English. This is cut down their speech and slow down their fluency. You are not alone. Everyone face this problem who try to speak in English. So in today's video I am going to show you 5 powerful steps that will actually train your mind to think in English. Imagine a situation, you are having a conversation and words just flow out of your mouth without stopping to translating and searching for word. It's like a dream. Well, it's not, because secret lies in training your mind to think in English directly. It is possible when you try to speak in English, when you try to think in English. So if you watch this video till then, and I promise you, you will speak English fluently. First step is immerse yourself in English environment. If you really want to think in English, you have to immerse yourself in English environment. You can watch English movie, you can watch YouTube videos, you can listen a podcast in English which is available on YouTube, Spotify and different social media platform. You can read book, you can read newspaper every single day. Yes, so after doing all of these things, you try to apply these things on yourself, and believe me, if you doing all of these things, English automatically come in your mind. So firstly, try to immerse yourself in English. Our second step is talk to yourself. Yes, stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. You can describe your goal, you can describe your daily basis work, you can describe anything whatever you want. Instead of saying मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, say I am going to drink water. Instead of saying I am eating food, everything. So whatever you see, definitely describe in English. Okay, you can describe imaginary situation. Don't think in Hindi, think in English, and try to think in English always. Don't think in Hindi. Okay, whatever you see, just try to speak in English. After doing this thing, your English will increase next level and thinking ability will increase next level. Now our third step is build vocabulary. Yes, as you know guys, vocabulary plays very significant role in your English speaking journey. So try to learn at least one new word every single day, and try to using them in sentences, because this is play very pivotal role in your English speaking journey. I am not saying that you should learn 10 words every day. You can learn at least one word every single day, and that's it, and that is good enough. And think about it, when you don't have vocabulary abundance, then how you can speak in English? Think about it. So better is try to build vocabulary. Now I am moving on fourth step. Try to speak in English. Until you will not try to speak in English, you will never speak this language. So it will be better try to speak in English. You can chat with your friend, you can chat with your community, your group. And I know if you don't have any practice partner, you can join a English conversation group. You are talk to with ChatGPT and other AI chatbot, but you have to speak in English, and you have to try to speak this language, because until you are not try to speak this language, you will never speak this language. At first, try to small sentences, and when your fluency will be increase, you can try to increase your sentence structure level. Okay, but at least speak. So try to speak this language. Our last step is avoid fear of judgment. Most people have one common question, one common problem, that is what people say about me in their mind. So avoid this irritating thing and focus on yourself and focus on your English speaking journey. Okay, don't matter what people think about me, and speak this language. Don't worry about making mistake. Everyone making mistake, you are not alone. So don't worry about what people think about you, what people think about you in their mind. So avoid this irritating and disgusting thing. So I would say you, please be patient, be persistent, and be committed on your path what you are doing. Okay, so don't matter where to start, please be committed whatever you are doing. If you found this video helpful, please make sure like this video and hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye people.